Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain about GPRS. GPRS means General Packet Radio Systems, and this GPRS is used for wireless communication using a mobile device. With this service, we can access internet, send emails, and the large data. And we have to know how does GPRS work. So students, you are already knowing how the communication is possible in the network and how the packet is transferred one computer to another computer. Similarly, GPRS also uses the same function to transfer data through a network. The information is split into smaller unit or packet and sent through the network and is reassembled at the receiving end. Next is 1G, 2G, 3G and the 4G network. The students, what is the meaning of G? G means generation, and generation is a certain period in which particular device has developed. 1G means first generation are considered to be first analog cellular systems. Means in this technology we are using radio telephone system. Even before that, 1G networks were conceived and designed purely for the voice call with almost no consideration of data services. Second, 2G networks. The student 2G network are the first digital cellular system launched early 1990, offering improved sound quality, better security and the higher total capacity. GSM support circuit switch data and internet is not using that time. 2.5G networks are the enhanced version of 2G network with theoretical data rates up to about 144 KB, kbits. GPRS offer the first always on data service. Next is 3G. 3G means third generation technology, and that technology offer the offer for internet connection with the very fast speed and sound quality has improved. And last one is 4G. The students, 4G means fourth generation, and that generation provide very fast speed for downloading and uh, and for the live video. And 4G fixed cellular systems like this, and this technology, fourth generations technology offer many advancement to wireless markets such as downlink data rates well over 100 Mbps, low latency, very efficient spectrum use and the low cost implementation. Some mobile some more mobile communication technology like EVDO, HPS, HSPA and IMS, LTE, XLTE. These are the services that are using in the mobile communication. For example, LTE, long term evolution. This technology is using in the 4G SIM, and HSPA, high speed packet access, is amalgamations of the high speed downlink packet access, and this technology is used in the 3G mobile phones, and these are the others technology that are also using in the mobile phones. Next is WiMAX. The students WiMAX refers to the set of the implementation of IEEE 802.16 wireless network standard supported by WiMAX Forum, which certified vendor equipment to ensure interoperability. WiMAX require an all IP network architecture and make use of OFDMA and generally uses unpaired mobile processor. The students already knowing the meaning of mobile processor. Mobile processor are are like CPU of the laptop and desktop computers, and there are some CPU like CPU central processing unit, GPU graphics processing units. This graphics processing units is very responsible responsible for playing high game quality, camera ISP, audio video and radio, and 3G and the 4G modems. And these are the some names of the mobile processor like Samsung, MediaTek, Helio, Apple. These are the mobile processors. Next is SMS. The students, what is the meaning of SMS? Short message servicing. Short message servicing is the transmission of the short text message to and from a mobile phone, fax machine, and the IP address. And chat, online textual talk is called the chat. Video conferencing. In the video conferencing, we can communicate with any other person with face to face, and this is the two-way video conversation. And next is VoIP or video conferencing protocol. SIP, session initiation protocols. The student, these protocols especially used for taking the feedbacks of any particular agenda where we have to give the missed calls. So in such situation, we have to initiate session initiation protocols. Okay, students. Next topic I will discuss in the next video. Bye.